Hello dressmakers, welcome back on the channel. In this video I'll be sharing with you how to make these trendy sleeves. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Now for the sleeve, first thing you need to draft out your basic sleeve, and the length of this sleeve is going to be about 21 inches, which is going to be close to your wrist. You will not allow it to get to your wrist, although the entire sleeve length is going to be 26.5, but where the slit is going to be starting from is this 21 inches. Okay, so I want my sleeve to be well over my wrist here. I want it to get there, so I have measured 21 inches for this length. Here I have my round sleeve measurement, which is on fold 15 inches. So divide that by 2, that's 7.5 plus half-inch seam allowance. My elbow is 12 inches, divide that by 2, that's 6 inches. Everything I have here, I've added half-inch seam allowance all around. So I have this piece which I'm going to be using for the slitted part, and is measuring 12 inches by 15 inches. So the part which is going to be 12 inches, we are going to fold it into 2, all right, so making it 6 inches, and it's still the same fabric that we're going to be using for the lining, so it's going to be 1 fold for each. Okay, so I just press this so that we can get a neat work right there. So we have 2 of this fold. All right, so we have 2 of this fold. Now it's 6 inches by 7.5 after we have folded it into 2. Okay, so now we are going to be bringing this towards this sleeve which we have cut earlier. That's the upper part. We're going to be matching that 7.5 length part. We're going to be matching it up to this point like this, and then we are going to be putting this same measurement we have here. This is going to be like the upper part, that's the slitted part, and the part which is on fold, okay, is going to be like the hem of the sleeve, and this is going to be whatever we have here plus 2 is what we are going to be adding to this part. Okay, so whatever you have at your sleeve right there plus 2, and this is going to be 7 inches right here. So now connect to this upper part, and then this is what we have. So now the next thing to do is for this upper part which is going to be connected to this sleeve, we are going to be adding 1/4 inch right here. Then we connect it to the 7 inches mark we have right there, just 1/4 inch. I'm going to show you what we are going to do with that later on. So cut. Can you see the way I'm cutting? I still have my 1/4 inch which I added right there, only for the top, okay, not for the hem. All right, don't forget that that folded part is what we are going to be using for the hem of our sleeve. So by the time we join it together like this, taking out all of the half-inch seam allowance which we have here, putting it like this, okay, that means we are going to have our 26.5 which we intend. Now I'm going to be adding interfacing. You can have any stay that of your choice, but just ensure that that part which is going to be the lining, like the inner part, that part which is going to be facing inside, is the one which you added the interfacing on top. So I'm going to be adding the interfacing to just half of this entire sleeve. We are going to see it now. You can see that I didn't open this fold totally, so this half I'm going to be adding it. So after this, I'm just going to take it to iron. So I'm going to press this on. Ensure that you are pressing it on that part that has the glue, the adhesive on it. Okay, so press it on with your iron. I usually steam it so that it can be fast. So press it on just like this, and then you can cut and separate it. So you can see that this interface is only on half of the part of the fold. Can you see? So just half of the part of this fold. Okay, so you are going to flip this over, then go ahead and sew it on this end just like this. So sew it like this. Do the same thing for this other part, just sew it like this. Okay, then after sewing it, this is what we have. So the next thing we are going to do is to reduce that half-inch seam allowance so that we can reduce the bulkiness of that part. Okay, you don't want that part to be looking bulky, so notch this end so that we can have all that pointed edge coming out really nicely. Okay, I'm reducing the bulk right now. I did the same thing for this second part, and I'm turning this around. Turn this around for the 2 pieces, then give it a good press so that this part looks really nice. Do not skip all of this step. The pressing step, the adding, the interfacing, the stay step is very important. Do not skip. So sew this like this, side seam on side seam on both your sleeve. Now I have sewn it. I've also overlocked it. This is what it looks like. Now the next thing we are going to do is to connect this upper part to the slitted part, and you need to also pay attention right here because you're going to see how I'm going to be doing this. All right, now you're going to be picking this part. Now I'm going to overlap it together with that 1/4 of an inch which we added earlier. Did you remember we added 1/4 of an inch earlier? Overlap it like this. You can pin it in place. Okay, you pin the 2 in place. Do it for the 2 pieces. Okay, now match the center line of the sleeve to the center line of this piece. Okay, then you pin it just like this. We are about to attach both together. Flip it over just as you see me do. Now the overlapped part is going to be resting on the side seam of the sleeve. That's the upper part. So take a look at how I'm doing it again. All right, so pin it in place just like this. Like I said, the overlap parts will be resting on the side seam of the sleeve. Okay, now take it to your sewing machine and sew round this way all around. Okay, so ensure that all of those joints match. Do the same thing for this sleeve as well and take both to sew. All right, I did the same thing for this and I'm sewing it right now just as you see me. Just sew this straight in that rounded form, just like this. Ensure that you use your pin so everything can be really easy for you. Now both is already sewn in. I'm going to be pressing this right now just to make that part relax and sit in the right place. Okay, so press both sleeve and then turn it over to the right side. You can see that it's on the wrong side. Now it's on the right side. Okay, turn it over to the right side and press again. Give it a good press. Use your tailor's arm to steam it and set it in place. Okay, these steps are very important because it gives you that neat work. Let me know what you think about this sleeve design in the comments, and don't also forget to subscribe if you have not done so already. Take a look at what the final look is. See how beautiful this looks. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you can see when I post new videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.